Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and adventure with the Winnebago Revel 44E 4x4 Class B camper van. A true blend of rugged capability and smart design, this van sets new standards for those seeking comfort and versatility on wheels. Let's explore what makes it stand out in the crowded world of compact, off-grid capable RVs. As you step inside, you're greeted with a clever layout that maximizes space while offering home-like comfort. The living area features comfortable seating that can convert into a bed, premium upholstery, and efficient storage cabinetry with high-quality finishes. A compact kitchenette includes a high-efficiency refrigerator, a diesel-powered heater-oven combo, a sink, and even a practical induction cooktop, perfect for cooking on the go. The van also contains clever storage compartments for gear and a flexible floor plan that allows for easy conversion between living, sleeping, and cargo areas, making it ideal for both adventure trips and everyday use. Now, moving to the exterior, the Winnebago Revel 44E 4x4 is built for the road less traveled. With its compact van-sized profile and reinforced high-roof Sprinter chassis, it's nimble enough for narrow roads, yet rugged enough to tackle off-grid trails. The exterior is finished in a durable, weather-resistant paint that stands up to harsh conditions and frequent travel. The roof is fitted with a solar panel and an optional roof rack for extra cargo capacity, perfect for bikes, gear, or extra supplies. The van's overall design emphasizes function: a short wheelbase for better maneuverability, all-terrain tires, and a beefed-up suspension that together offer both freedom and confidence wherever you roam. When it comes to performance and capability, the 4x4 powertrain of the Revel 44E delivers. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 platform, the van combines a dependable diesel engine with a robust four-wheel drive system, ensuring reliable performance on highways and rugged terrain alike. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating rough trails, the AWD system, elevated ground clearance, and reinforced chassis structure provide a stable, controlled ride. The compact size and adaptive transmission make parking and maneuvering easier than with larger RVs. And the van's efficient diesel fuel consumption means longer range between fill-ups, a real advantage when traveling off-grid or across remote areas. Finally, let's discuss the price. The Winnebago Revel 44E 4x4 Class B camper van is positioned as a premium but practical adventure vehicle, and its price reflects that. With a starting price of around $219,000, it's more accessible than many full-sized luxury motorhomes, while still offering exceptional value for its versatility, build quality, and off-road capabilities. For those seeking a balance of comfort, mobility, and freedom to explore, whether on rugged trails or urban streets, it delivers impressive performance and utility. To sum up, the Winnebago Revel 44E 4x4 Class B camper van is an extraordinary blend of compact practicality, rugged capability, and smart, efficient comfort. It offers a level of versatility and lifestyle freedom unmatched in the world of camper vans. Whether you're planning a long road trip across varied terrain or simply want a mobile base with home-style comforts, the Revel 44E delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in camper and motorhome excellence.